Hi all, welcome to my channel. So we already completed how to install PostgreSQL, how to install PG admin, how to upload DVD rental data, and even we already completed how to see the sample data and how to apply limit in our a simple query. In this video, we'll talk about where clause. Where is very important, right? So suppose we are looking for data with some conditions. At time where is very important. Let me show you. So here I am in DVD rental data. We already know how can we do this. Now let me show the table. Maybe less very simple table, that is actor table. Suppose I'm writing select star sorry from this actor table. So if I run this, just see here we have the output. That's actor ID, first name, and last date. Suppose you are looking with some condition. Maybe your condition is here you can see this is actor ID, this is integer. Suppose I am looking with some condition that I'm only looking for the actor which actor ID is greater than maybe 4. So how can we do this? Just write where, then write actor underscore ID. This is the actually the column name where we want to apply some condition. So this is the column name actor underscore ID, and suppose I'm looking for greater than 4. Now if I hit this, see this time I'm getting only the data where actor ID is greater than 4. So that's why where is very important. Whenever you have some condition, you can apply where. So let me show you some more example. Suppose we have this, payment table. Let me show you the data first. Select a star from payment and let me run this. Here you can see this is the payment table right now where payment ID, customer ID, staff ID, rental ID, amount and payment date. Suppose I am looking for some data where, I want some condition on maybe amount. So here I can see like this where amount. So this is the amount column maybe greater than. Here you can see we have 7.9, 1.9, 7.9. Suppose I'm looking for all the amount, which is all the records where amount is greater than 8. See, here the condition is there, like amount is greater than 8. So now this is actually the filter. We are applying the filter that amount is greater than 8. Now if you run this, see, just run this query, see what happened actually. Here we got the data actually, and see amount is greater than 8, right? Amount is always greater than 8. Let's see this. If you download this data and if you check, you only get amount where amount is greater than 8, maybe 8.1, 8.2, anything more than 8, right? But you are not able to see any data where amount is less than 8. So this is basically the simple condition. You can write and also like if you're looking for where amount is greater than 8 and payment ID suppose greater than, maybe here you can see we have some 17517. So I'm writing where payment ID, sorry, payment ID, here the payment ID is greater than, and suppose I'm looking for greater than 17517. This is record. So I'm looking for greater than this. Now let me hit this. See now you'll get the result. We have this output. So this is clear that in amount column always amount is greater than 8, and my payment ID will be greater than this amount, right? Here you can check all the payment ID will be greater than this. So this is basically why this is happening, because we are writing this condition. Whenever you write and, what happened, if you apply and, it means both condition has satisfied. Okay. Whenever you applied and, it means both condition has to supply. Applied. Like see, if you say uh, Ram and Syam are coming, it means Ram and Syam both coming, right? But suppose you write or, like you say Ram or Syam is coming, it means only one is coming, right? Suppose I wrote here or, it means either greater than 8 or this. Any condition satisfy, it will work. That means now this time what happened? See this, we are getting 0.99. Why you are getting 0.99 amount? In the where condition we wrote amount has to greater than 8, right? But we are getting 0.99. Why this is happening? Because this time what happened? Payment ID greater than this. See this? Payment ID is greater than this. That's why we are getting this. Because you wrote or, it means either this condition satisfy or this condition satisfy, will get the result. So this time may be possible in payment ID you can get less than this payment ID. Why? Because maybe that time amount is greater than 8. So if any condition satisfy, you will get the result. That's why if you are looking for such, if you want to apply such condition, just try to understand whether you are going to apply or and. Okay. So it's okay, as I'm looking for amount greater than this and payment ID is greater than this. So I'm looking for apply both the condition. That time I'm going to use and. So I believe you guys are able to understand how to apply where, and here we can apply this condition. So, where is very, very important. And in our coming lecture, in many videos will talk about where. Even whenever I'm talking about project, data analytics project using SQL, that time I'm going to use where, where is really, really important. So this is not only, greater than, less than. Even if you want to apply some condition like maybe here, you have some name, and if you want to, compare that name, you can apply at that time. So where is very, very important, very, very fundamental concept. And I believe in my coming videos, I will talk more about where. Okay. Even if you see, suppose again, if you see the actor table, let me write here. So let's see the actor table again. Okay, this is the actor table. Suppose I am looking for this where first name, first underscore name is equal to, I'm looking for maybe Nick. So I can write like this. Nick, let me hit this. See, we got this. So we can put that condition also. So we can write, a condition on maybe integer float and also one string as well. This is so just like we generally apply conditions basically in in Python and maybe Java. So such condition you can apply here easily with your where. So the story of this whole video is that whenever you want to apply some filter, whenever looking for some filter on your data, just apply where, give your condition, and you will get the result where applied all the filter. Okay. So I believe you are able to understand how to apply where in this SQL in PostgreSQL basically. Right? Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.